Hi everyone, I'm Graham Stevens from Auckland Steam and Dry. I've been doing carpet repairs and carpet laying and all sorts of carpet restoration since 1987. That's over 30 years. Today I'm going to talk about carpet repairs. Carpet repairs is a necessary part of carpet maintenance. Often carpets stretch over time, over wear, and those stretches can become a hazard. Also, there can be some serious stains that carpet cleaning itself can't remove. In those cases, a bonded insert, or some refer to it as a patch, can be used. Today we're going to be showing demonstrations on different types of repairs that can save you, the homeowner, serious money with replacement costs. The type of repairs that can be needed are stretching carpet back that have become loose, and sometimes there can be bump hazards that, trip hazards that people can trip on, and also it can prematurely wear out the carpet. Here we have some pretty serious stains. We've got one over there, one here, one over there, and there's even one a bit over there. This is probably the most busiest area in this house. It's right next to a dining table and a lounge area. So rather than do little patches like a little square around there or a little square right in the middle of a busy area, and this one also in a busy area, we're going to do one big patch which is going to cover this big area. So this would be considered a advanced patch, so don't expect the average carpet cleaner to be able to do this sort of patch, but it's good to be able to see how it's done and at least know what you're talking about when a customer may ask about it, or you may recommend it as an add-on for our carpet layer. Okay, now a big piece of carpet like this is going to be hard to have the same sort of carpet available in this size. So we're going to have to take carpet from a different part of the house. It may be under a bed, or it may be behind a couch. There's always a couch here, always has been, and this has been measured to fit in here quite nicely, to just fit. So we're going to take a piece out of here and replace it with a piece over there. Okay, let's have a look around the rest of the house. Okay, here we have some tufts of carpet which have pulled up. I think it's from the cats. Either way, it's only going to get worse if it's not repaired. So we're going to repair this. Here we have an area which the cat has pulled up, making it about 25 mil short. So we're going to need to stretch this carpet to be able to trim that off. Hopefully trim the whole lot off. We haven't got a big area to stretch from, but it will be a bit of a challenge, but we'll see how we go. Okay, and here we have something similar, probably the cat again. Yep, it looks like the cat again. Similar sort of amount, maybe this one is only 20 mil. we're going to try and stretch it out from this small area here. The beauty of carpet is it can be stretched. It's not like vinyl or a lot of other floorings where you don't get to do much repairs. There's no forgiveness, it's hit and miss. With carpet, stretching can be easy enough when you know what you're doing. And we've got another problem here. This is a laundry room. This laundry has flooded, only minorly. It's sort of come round to here somewhere, but it had to be lifted, and while it was lifted, possibly the cats have got into it there. It wasn't laid straight away, so when carpet is in this sort of state, it only deteriorates a lot faster. So the sooner a repair is done, the better for everybody. Okay, now we're going to start doing the repairs. We now have a much better looking entrance to our bathroom. This was done in a two-part repair. Firstly, it was stretched out, but as it was, there wasn't much meat to stretch from. Glued in some fibres and trimmed it off to make appearance that is definitely acceptable. And over here, again, we had that same problem. And now, definitely acceptable. At this other area, definitely acceptable. Although, in saying that, could probably do a little bit more stretching there. Rest of it is acceptable.